Hi everybody, this is Wana. You are watching 60 Seconds on Innovation. Today I want to talk to you about accelerators or programs meant to provide young startups and their talents with support, connections, and knowledge. An accelerator program is 3 to 6 months long and is often hosted by a university or a corporation to try out ideas or to valorize expertise. In this process, the host will offer a network of business partners, mentors, workshops, legal aid, and possibly even funding. A fun and unsurprising fact is that accelerators go by many names. We hear about incubators, labs, launchpads, boot camps, but linguistics aside though, the goal always stays the same: to nourish entrepreneurial talent and through this to really boost innovation. Now today, many companies see collaborations with accelerators or even launching their own as an effort worth making. The MasterCard Start Path, the Lufthansa Innovation Hub, the AB InBev 100+ Accelerator Program, they're just a few examples. And in effect, when built and staffed right, all accelerators can quickly test complex business assumptions and kill risky projects early. They also help build skills into the workforce and retain top talent, or the so-called intrapreneurs. And speaking of, to find out more about what they do, check out this video. Thank you for stopping by and see you at the next one.